Good morning, guys. We're on our way to Naiya. It's too early.
It's not too early.
It's too early for me. 6
This is
a.m.
the best flight ever. Aside from like flying so late.
Bye, guys.
How was your 9 hours sleep?
9 hours minus 8.
Laki ko na kayo sa vlog ko, no?
Sino yung kasama mo sa Bali last?
Payat to. Ay, let me reintroduce pala my best friend kasi with his new body, kalimutan nyo na yung nakita nyo sa Bali. Ibang tao yun, kambal niya yun. Ito ang totoong Rusty Dizon.
No Botox like this.
Outfit check! Hey! Hindi naman tayo tweety talaga.
Kung sumunod sa akin,
Do you feel right now?
I don't feel any pressure right
No?
now. We're in the most beautiful airport in the
The
world.
Philippines. In the world? Lini! Welcome to Boracay!
Wala pa, be.
Lini! The iconic...
Ayun ka, be. Picture ka, be.
The smell of Boracay. Go.
Kasi we're gonna have like another 3 hours of travel time.
3 hours?
Ano, pumunta ka ng Siargao?
Sir, excuse me, welcome.
Okay lang ba nasa vlog ka namin, ate? Because you are so gracious. Gracious!
Gracious.
We're here in Boracay.
That sense of like traveling, you get to meet a lot of people.
Lini, welcome to Hanai.
Thank you so
Are
much.
you happy?
Are you
Tayong
happy?
early check-in.
Happy.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to our room. I want to give you a short tour. Okay, let's start with our ukay-ukay here. As usual, ang mga gamit namin. In fairness, ang dami na narating na ukay-ukay mo, international. Okay, we have our complete, bathroom, toilet, and bathtub. Nandito na lahat. So, you have a separate area for your toilet. And then, meron din siya sa shower. Though, ito yung shower sa mga hotel na soundproof.
Hindi pa nag-example. No, what I like about
Soundproof na, sisigaw. Diba? It's soundproof. And then we have to, pag cameraman, hindi ka magsasalita. Two, anong tawag dito? Faucet. Sinkhole.
Sinkhole nga ang Tagalog.
Go. Ang pogi naman ng cameraman. Your full-length mirror. You can see your OOTD here. Of course, your mini bar here. And then, of course, the moment of truth, Charis, ang inyong
This is the reason
$1 million
why
view.
it's so expensive.
Then we have an area where we can chill and relax here every morning. And then you're gonna have... We are finally going out after staying in our room for almost half day. Outfit check.
Hindi mo ako susunod, be.
Ito yung sa harapan ng hotel namin. Wow. Sunset is giving. Wow. Ni... Let's get some coffee or matcha na lang. Don't know if I still can drink coffee. One of the most beautiful Starbucks in the Philippines. Eh, nagsasalita na siya kasi may coffee na siya. Nakikibanding na siya, guys, kasi may coffee na siya.
First day pero parang pang fourth day.
ko naman paghalata siya. Pero lang ang twinnie ko. Guys, we are here at the mall. This is how it looks like at night. We're gonna do some shopping. Dinner tayo ng Andox ulit. Only rice. Oh my God. Go-to food when we are drunk. Thank you. Good morning, Queen.
Good morning, Queenie.
Our second day here, we're having Filipino breakfast. Welcome back to the Philippines. Ramdam na ramdam ko ang Pilipinas dahil sa kanin. Sabi nga ni Twinnie, siguro nagtataka yung mga turista dito or yung mga foreigner. Takay na, umaga kanin, hapon kanin, gabi kanin.
Ang puki ko, ang puki ko. Puki bowl ang puki ko.
Wanna show you guys the beauty of Boracay. This is the reason why people... This is the reason why people are coming back.
These are...
Pal naman, nagbablog eh. Yes. Ano daw? These... Be, yung S hinahanap kayo. Yung S at saka yung I daw, pili kayo kung ano yung gagamitin nyo doon. This is the reason why people are coming back here in Boracay. Eri doon.
Sabi niya, be, selfie tayo.
Selfie tayo ulit. Sis, ito yung mga panglalagay ko sa mga intro. Sayo sa ika. 1, 2, 3, go. Pa. Tapos mo yung kamay mo, sis. Yan. Ang ganda na itong pang intro. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. I am with my Becky ay bestie fool.
The pinakamatigas sa Bulacan ang hindi magpapatalo sa Hollow Block.
Sana naman this time ma-share na niya na maayos yung vlog kasi ano nga title ng last vlog natin?
Ang pagdadalaga ni Rusty.
Sis, parang ending vlog mo na lang to, no? Thank you. Na-reach, no? Guys, we just got here and the name of the coffee shop is Got Soul. That's how I... Ta-da-na-na-nan-tan-tan-tan. Takay na ni Rich. Laro. Pa-bill out na kami. Ay, wala pa. Wala pa.
Sige, bill out tubig.
Rich, anong masarap na coffee dito?
Ito, yung God's Soul Signatures.
Ah.
Yung palagi namin bestseller. Yung favorite ko, pistachio.
Pistachio. Sige. Ikaw na mag-coffee ka muna. Upo ka nga muna dito. Ang oras break mo.
Kala yung order.
What? Ang laro. Okay, sige. Kukuha ko ng Got Soul Frozen Coconut Latte.
Yan
So it's oat milk na, no?
Yes.
Perfect. Anong oat milk yung gamit nyo?
Oat milk honey.
Cutleries kayo? Paredy ako ng knife. Hindi, anong brand?
Like, Albert.
Charing lang.
Sa akin, cortado.
Ay.
Uwi naman
Ay. Sasakalin kita, best friend ka na. Sige, okay na, be, order. Try their coconut frozen coffee. Not the usual one, pero okay na. Para siyang dalgona.
Ang sarap, sis. You know, alam ko yung latte masarap kasi nagbabalance yung milk and yung coffee. Hindi lang siya lasang milk lang. And hindi ko nalalasan masyado yung oat milk. It's more of like coffee but my milk. Parang ganun. If that makes sense. Pero
Hey guys, we are here at the mall and then we're gonna look for something to buy. Meron kaya sila yung parang banyan clip? Hindi ko din alam kung ano yung nahanap namin. Lakad lang kami ng lakad. Pero may isang mall doon, may mga branded na like may Sanis din doon.
Oh, it's 3 p.m. We're just gonna chill here. Look at the freaking view. Init.
Okay, I feel like I haven't told you guys anything yet about this trip. Originally, we were planning to go to El Nido or Coron. But I kind of felt na parang feeling ko sobrang pagod, adventure. Pero of course, we wanted to experience that. Pero gusto ko lang ng kalma at saka holiday, vacation. Ayoko ng adventure, ayoko ng travel. Yun yung napag-isipan namin ng twinnie ko. And isa sa mga go-to places namin is, Boracay. Yung itinerary namin is just like, wala lang. We're gonna order some drinks. That's how you start your afternoon here in Boracay.
Sige, let's do...
Happy hour means?
Like,
120 per glass.
Hey guys, good morning! It's our third freaking day here in the Paradise, Boracay. I'm still with my twinnie. Maghahanap lang kami ng mga coffee shops and hindi na namin kayo masyado na-update yesterday kasi grabe, ano oras pala natulog na
oh my
kami.
gosh, naghahanap tayo ng food lang kasi we're just so hungry. Tapos, dumating sa point na parang, last choice natin yung hotel, hotel restaurant eh. Tapos yung food doon, okay naman, actually. May, sabi mo nga, di ba, may shops sila. Anyway, to cut the Then, thank you po. Yun, pagtapos namin kumain, natulog na lang kami. Sabi namin power nap, only 1 hour, 2 hours. Nagising na lang tayo, 2 a.m. na sis. Wala nang magagawa talaga. Pero sabi ko talaga, go na. Tulog na tayo, tuloy na natin to.
Ang
Para
sarap ng
fresh.
tulog namin.
And then, nagising kami ngayon 5 a.m. Tingnan mo, ang dami namin pwedeng gawin today. So kasi yung latte nila dito, iniibabaw yung kape. Pag inom ko ng isang araw, gising ako ganyan, di ba? Maya-maya, milk na lang pala ilalim. Nakatulog na naman ako.
We're still waiting sa Season Coffee. They haven't opened their shop yet. Ano sila? Outside sila. Good morning po. Early birds kami. Kanina pa kami dun sa labas. Oo nga, okay lang. Ang cute. Gusto namin matry talaga tong coffee shops na to. I'll get one iced oat latte, sugar aside. And then I'll get one basket. Burnt cheesecake. Paano baklala? Mahilig sa coffee. Nakita ko nga siya kung paano niya binuild yung Ayaw cute. Ala, nakanganga siya. Ala, boobs.
Tama na. Ay! Botox queen? Tama na, Botox queen.
Tama na, booking queen.
Hindi mo i-vlog ka. Hindi mo dito i-review.
Oh my goodness. We're going to Calma Cafe.
Hindi yan dito tequila. Kuya, kala niya tequila.
Never bumaho yung hininga.
You're a great singer.
Okay, Tweenie's having his third session sa tattoos. Yeah, I can't even count. Aren't you proud of yourself? Have one tiny tattoo and then now you can't even count. Ang cute. How about caterpillar lang muna siya and then years magiging butterfly na siya. I can feel the tuyo. Sarap.
Good morning, guys. It's our last day here in Boracay. I just wanna show you kung ano yung view ko while waiting for our lunch. Last day here. So far, so good. We were so drunk last night. But yun yung gusto naman talaga namin gawin. And yeah, I'm still with my twinnie. Buo pa rin yung friendship namin. We survived another trip together.
And it was so calm. And all ano lang, fun lang. I mean, we met a lot of new people.
Learn a lot of things
Things.
from new people. I mean, this trip is so amazing. Alam mo yung tamang alak, tamang pahinga.
We only partied once, ha.
Partied once, but ang dami natin nagawa.
Ang dami nating nagawa, nakapag ano tayo, time for photo shoot,
Right.
bond with each other, kain, food, literal food. Kape, I think 32,000 na kape ang nainom natin.
Kotang-kota tayo sa ko.
All the energy was brought to you by kape talaga.
Yes. Oo. And then, ang chill lang na itinerary natin this trip, walang itinerary. Kung ano lang yung mga trip namin gawin. I mean, that's Bora, you know. If you're lazy, if we're lazy to do anything or if we're like, we don't want stress about itinerary, our go-to place is always Boracay. So, I'm gonna...
Iba-iba rin yung iba na yung atake natin sa Boracay ngayon. I just realized, iba na yung atake sa Boracay. Kasi yung difference na to,
Workout pa nga.
yeah, nakapag-workout. Difference na to nung first Bora natin and yung mga sumunod na, yung following Boras natin. Ang kaibahan ngayon is mas chill na siya. You know where to go na. Especially you, nag-plan ka ng itineraries, where to go, nag-search ka kung anong pupuntahan natin. That's why yung mga napuntahan natin talaga, masasabi natin na we haven't tried it before and which is really, really good Especially the coffees na mga na inano mo sa akin, sinuggest mo sa akin. It's so good. Season coffee. Sobrang sarap.
We're gonna end this vlog. Fully for sure, maraming trips pa yung magkakasama kami. Fully next trip, Aya would be with us. Kasi sa birthday ko, hopefully the three of us. Okay. I'll see you guys later.
Oyster.
Filipino oysters.
Natanggal yung isang bilis kasi natanggal. Nakita mo?
Sarap, no? It's so